In this video, I will show you how to change the address on your driving license in the UK. You can do this for both full and provisional licenses, and it's free of charge. You're still allowed to drive while waiting for your new license, but if you don't update your address, you could be fined up to £1,000. To start, open Google Chrome and search Change Address Driving License UK and click on the official gov.uk website. On this page, click Start Now. Before you begin, you'll need your driving license, your addresses from the last 3 years, and you must be a resident of Great Britain. It also helps if you have your national insurance number and passport number. You should also remember to update your vehicle logbook, your vehicle tax direct debit if you pay that way, and any personalized registration documents. If you want to change your name at the same time, that has to be done by post. That's as far as we can go here since the next steps require access to the secure application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.